Now let's cover essential TikTok small business marketing tips, starting off with paid ad placements. Now, although you will need a modest advertising budget to begin with, when executed successfully, paid advertising offers an excellent return on investment, ROI, across many social media platforms, and TikTok is no exception.
And while TikTok's paid advertising is still in its early days compared to the likes of Instagram or Facebook, it can still be a viable way to boost your brand awareness and attract shoppers or visitors to your website.
Yeah, so hop on trends. I say this every day. One of the keys to successful TikTok marketing for small business is keeping your eyes peeled and your ears to the ground. We know that you're busy and don't have time to scroll through TikTok all day. We're not suggesting that, but when you are on the platform, searching for relevant trends will prove an effective use of your time.
To discover trending videos or content in your niche, you'll need to search for the right hashtags. Like Instagram, hashtags are the lifeblood of TikTok in terms of visibility. But going a little bit deeper, you can actually create your own original content. By creating your own funny, inspirational, or compelling TikTok videos, it's the best way to stand out on this platform.
Well, when it comes to creating original TikTok content, you can be as creative as you wish as long as your video is 60 seconds or less. So don't go over a minute. And you can imitate famous sound clips, add music or audio sound effects, and apply images or filters. But really, to strike a chord with your audience, you must get your fundamentals right.
Yeah, those fundamentals are key. You really want to decide on that key message that you want to convey. Remember, you only have 60 seconds, so work with one strong message or concept, really just to avoid confusion and maximize your impact. But also, don't self-promote. That's not what TikTok is about, or use salesy language. If you do, TikTok users will just breeze right past you and never look back. Yes, you are a small business marketing what you have to offer, but the best way to make a mark with your content is to inspire, entertain, or offer genuine value.
Humans connect with and digest narratives and stories better than anything else. And while you only have 60 seconds, it's going to breeze on by, there's no reason why you can't tell an interesting tale with your video in that time. So carve out a clear-cut beginning, middle, and end, and you'll have the framework for a TikTok video that has serious small business marketing potential. But more than 86% of companies currently use user-generated content as part of their regular marketing strategy. I'm curious, are you? If not, you should. Social media fans love interacting with content of other users. And when it comes to TikTok marketing, one of the best ways you can leverage UGC to your advantage is to share and curate the content of your users posting videos based on your niche.
Yeah, and by shining a light on the content of others, you're going to connect with more people, improve your engagement levels, and build trust with your audience. Using this simple yet effective TikTok marketing tactic, you'll be able to showcase your services and products in a way that is fun and authentic, and increase your revenue in the process.
So I encourage you all, get influential. Influencer marketing is one of the most powerful social media marketing methods out there. And if you team up with TikTok influencers in your niche, you'll be able to promote your brand to the people who are most likely to find it valuable. So big brands such as Calvin Klein, Sony, FIFA have dipped their toes into influencer marketing campaigns through TikTok, reaching plenty engaged users of all different demographics. And as the platform continues to grow in popularity, more businesses will follow in their footsteps.
But hey, do your research, find smaller influencers making waves in your industry or niche, and reach out to them. All it takes is a simple DM.
You can use TikTok for business without recording your own videos. Configure ads or collaborate with already established influencers to get a lot of very cheap leads for your business. Make sure you discuss with influencers though all the details about the way how they will present your product or brand. Create your own content. Although it is possible to configure ads and collaborations in TikTok for business, it is so much more beneficial to establish your own TikTok account. Yes, it will take some time and effort, but you can delegate it to a freelancer if needed. Choose the right type of TikTok account though. When you just start producing content in TikTok for business, you need to create a fresh new account. Never use your old personal account if you had one, since the algorithm already figured out the audience for that old account, and it will be very hard to change it. Select the right type of TikTok account. If you plan to run ads on TikTok for business, then you need a business account. It will also allow you to use sponsored hashtags, which you can promote by collaborating with influencers. The major limitation, though, of a business account is that it will not be able to use a lot of trendy music, which is a key for some promotion strategies. Apart from the TikTok business account, there is a creator's account. What type of business will benefit from it? If you are a self-employed person, like a lawyer or a private doctor or a makeup artist or a consultant, then a creator's account might be a good option for you. If the account is not around a person or a personal brand, then you should not select that type. Once you have set up a TikTok account, you wonder what are the promotion strategies to attract new customers for your business. Creating your own content, your own TikTok videos, is the most obvious way. However, it is not the only one. What type of content to create using TikTok for business? If you are a lawyer or an investment advisor, create a lot of concise videos full of value for your audience. Make it super short and super packed with value. Embrace entertainment. A good joke or a surprising ending of your video would never make it worse. Mix promotional content with just for fun videos, not to come across as an intrusive seller. Be creative in your product placement, not to be boring for the audience. Don't forget about a creative call to action, so to increase the conversion rate from viewers into subscribers or customers.
Hey there, everyone. Now that your TikTok account is up and running, and now that you know how to create engaging content to generate buzz around your brand, it is time for you to learn how other businesses in your niche are using TikTok for their campaigns. This will allow you to study their own marketing tactics, which you can reverse engineer, as well as to discover who is following them. Checking out how your competitors and other businesses use TikTok, you have to start by finding them. To do this, you have to use the Discover feature. Okay, let's now look for other business accounts on TikTok. The easiest way to do this is simply by typing a niche keyword into the search bar. Type your keyword and then tap on Search. Once in the results screen, tap on the Users tab. Now, to identify business accounts in the niche you are searching on, you have to look for accounts that are clearly branded. This means accounts that have the name of a brand, company, or business, that have a branded profile image or video, and that have a sizable audience. Optionally, you can use the name of a brand or business as a keyword when you do your search. This will make your search easier if you are already looking for a specific brand or business. Now tap on the profile of a business account in the results. Now it is time to take a closer look at the details on a business account. These details, as well as the type of content you'll find in them, will vary from niche to niche, but there's still useful information that you can measure to optimize your account. Start by identifying which additional profiles they add to their TikTok profiles. In general, most businesses on TikTok include their Instagram profiles. This is because Instagram is also a visual discovery platform for younger users, and they know that it is important to cross-promote. Next, look at their profile bio. Businesses use this field to target niche keywords and search terms in their industry. This makes it easier for them to be discovered by potential customers. To grab the attention of profile visitors, they include emojis in their bio. This enhances the visual appeal of their bio and of the profile in general. Lastly, you have to take a look at their videos. Businesses use TikTok to showcase their products or services. They make their products or services as prominent as possible in their video thumbnails. When you watch one of these videos, you'll notice that businesses use them to show the process behind creating a product, or make them about using a product, or about the results of using a product or services. This helps them increase buying intent in the viewer and moves them down the sales funnel. Finally, we recommend you to follow these accounts if they're a business in your niche. This will help you to network with similar businesses on TikTok, as well as to reach the audiences of these businesses.